Alrighty, what's happening? So everything is set to 0. So trip 1, trip 2, and fuel status is also to 0. It's all set to reset. So Darwin, this is my last goodbye to you. You've been great. Work.
Everyone, welcome to my travel back from Darwin to Melbourne. I have lost most of the video from the first and the second day. If I ever find them on the 10 million locations I save videos on, I will definitely post it on this channel. On the first day, I was traveling from Darwin to Renner Springs. I spent some time in Mataranka at a couple of locations. I took more than 5 days to return back to Melbourne as I wanted to spend some time in Coober Pedy and visit Ayers Rock. Ayers Rock is a bit of a detour from the Stuart Hwy. I had enough time off work to complete these locations. The plan was to leave Darwin at 4 AM and reach Ayers Springs for the day 1. But at 4 AM when I walked outside my hotel room, there were thunderstorms and heavy rain. I spent 3 hours waiting for the rain to die down and finally gave up on that, left at around 7:30. But after I left Darwin, I didn't get much rain and the dark clouds were behind me. Couple of hours into the ride, I had to reevaluate my goal for today. Ayers Springs is about 15 hours away from Darwin. For the first stop of the day, I wanted to travel to Katherine, get the fuel, have some breakfast, find Australia Post, and mail some unused gadgets, clothes, and some souvenirs that I bought on this trip so far. Then I was to make my way to Darwin Waters for lunch. I decided to stay at Renner Springs for the day, which was only 8 hours away. I enjoyed my stay there from when I was traveling to Darwin on the day 3.
If I'm doing only up to Renner Springs today, I can actually take it slow. Okay, what's happening here? Okay. These things need to be tight. It's not holding up. Come on, buddy. I should have taken this around here. Oh well. Anyway, so yeah, should last. It's just a shape bag. Okay, so that GoPro is already dead. Oh, post office. Oh, there's a post office here. I can try and send stuff from here, I guess. Okay, let's have a look. Oh, no glasses. That's all good. Yeah. No more opening of this bag until the GoPro battery runs out, and I need more GoPro batteries. Destination on the left in 716 kilometers. So let's keep going, really.
The women at the milk bar in Adelaide River were very helpful with packing up the stuff I didn't use or need. I even got some spices for curries to cook at home. They were supplied by the local business in Humpty Doo, the place with the giant boxing crock. Anyways, on to my next stop. That was Katherine. I only stopped there for fuel and continued on. One of the most fascinating places coming to Darwin I found was Mataranka. This place has few hot springs and a giant termite mound in the park on the main street.
Yeah, like all these things are gonna explode anyway, let's see what they have here. Hello. What do you have here?
Good information stall here.
Information stall? About what?
About smoking.
About what, sorry?
Smoking cessation and alcohol.
Oh no, I don't smoke.
Well, you can check your levels on the smoker
What? Check what?
On the smoker if you blow into the smoker will give you a carbon monoxide reading. Even if you don't smoke. Yeah.
What, in my lungs?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
So generally what happens is you've got carbon monoxide in your lungs, and if you don't smoke for up to like 12 hours, 18 hours, the carbon monoxide will actually start leaving your lungs. So it's just a demonstration just to show people that every cigarette that you don't smoke is actually doing you good.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Do you need demonstration for that?
Hey?
Do you really need demonstration for that?
Well, if people want to have a look for themselves.
Okay. I'm just like is this for the community around here? Do you have a lot of smoking problem? Is this like the Aboriginals that are usually with this, or what is that?
Everybody.
Okay.
Everybody. We've seen some people at the clinic who were like, come down. Sunrise covers everyone in this region. What now?
What did you say to him?
I said, what now? Like, hello? How are you?
What now?
Yeah.
What now?
Yeah.
Like what now?
Yeah, like, what up?
What up? What
Yeah.
now?
Where are you from?
From Melbourne.
What are you doing up here in this heat?
I am traveling on my motorcycle.
Yeah, no, it's a community sort of gathering. We're trying to get people to realise that our organisation, our Indigenous organisation, isn't just the clinics, isn't just primary health. We're also out in the communities doing preventative, promotional.
Nice.
Yeah.
I went to Darwin and now I'm going back home.
Oh yeah.
But I'm just going to stop by the
Springs.
The springs, yeah.
Have you been to Bitter Springs?
No.
Bitter Springs is the more natural one.
Yeah.
It doesn't have the sides, and then obviously thermal pools looks like a pool.
Pool.
Yeah.
But there is an entry fee on any of those?
No.
Oh, sweet.
Free.
Free. Okay.
Yeah.
I might go to that one there.
It's nice. It's still deep.
Yeah.
But yeah, this one's shallow. Oh, not shallow. This one's like really deep and natural and.
I can't swim though.
Good luck with that. That one's deep too. So
Oh,
you might
really?
as well just sit on the stairs.
Yeah, I'm just going to sit on the stairs. I can't swim. But
You might want to learn to swim with wet season coming in. You'll be swimming across the causeways up at Newcastle or down at Newcastle Water Station.
yeah. Well, I'm still going to go to the Bitter Springs and just going to... Is it in the national park or no?
Elsie National Park. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Everything is national park.
All around this area. I don't know about this main area, but
Because we can't fly the drones. I've got the drones to fly. Thank you very much. Whoa, no. I'm not going on the I'm not going on the water, not train. Let's go back. Only swim in designated area. Well, this is like cold. Okay. I don't have to enter the piscine. Okay, so no, I'm not gonna go on there because there's water on the road. I'm not experienced with water that much. Okay, looks like this is more well maintained as that lady said. My eyes have got the sweat in them. Whew. Ooh. So the idea would be to get to Dally Waters today, and then after I'm gonna have some food in Dally Waters. It's about 173 kilometers from here, from this Mataranka place. This was amazing.
The first place I went to was the museum in Mataranka, but it was closed due to renovations. I also saw the giant termite, which I had a nice video for, but I can't find it now, unfortunately. I sat in the Mataranka thermal pool for about an hour. I kept my riding clothes on, while I was in the water. After leaving Mataranka, the clothes were dried within 20 minutes of being on the motorcycle. There was a small 15-minute of rain afterward, but the weather turned hot from here all the way until the last day, where it dropped to 8 degrees from Ballarat to Melbourne, which was just the last 2 hours of the ride. Soon I was arriving to Darley Waters. This place was awesome. I got the fuel and had a few beers at the famous Darley Water pub. After the drone flight, I had a few drinks and some food and started the last part of the journey to Renner Springs.